This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear light cluster bulbs renewal. From inside the luggage compartment, depress the retaining catches and open the trim panel flap to gain access to the rear of the light unit. Disconnect the wiring block connector and undo the two rear light cluster retaining nuts. Release the securing catch at the top, as shown, then withdraw the light unit from the vehicle. Press the clips together to release the bulb holder from the light unit. Now withdraw the relevant bulb. All bulbs have a bayonet fitting. Note that the stop tail light bulb has offset locating pins to prevent it being installed incorrectly. Fit the bulb holder back into the lamp unit, ensuring that it is securely clipped into position. Then fit the lamp unit back into the vehicle. Tighten the lamp securing nuts and refit the wiring connector. Replace the access panel cover, clipping it back into position.